हेलो बच्चों लोग, today I have come with a nice story for you. I'll tell you one story of a crocodile and a monkey. Once upon a time, there lived one crocodile in the river, and near the bank of the river there was a very big tree of berries, and on that tree lived a monkey. Every day, the crocodile used to move freely in the river, and the monkey used to sit on the berry tree, eat berry fruits, and sing happily. Sometimes, monkey used to eat the berries and throw the seeds of berries into the river. When the crocodile was coming and moving in the river, one day he just picked up that seed of berries and he ate them. And he was so happy because the seeds were very nice. So he thought that if the seeds are so nice, the fruits will be even very nice, better than these seeds. So he thought that let me make friendship with this monkey. The crocodile was very cunning. So what he did? He went near the bank of the river and said very sweetly to monkey, "Hi." And the monkey said, "Hi." Then the crocodile said, "Oh monkey, you sing such nice songs and you live so happily. And what are you eating all the time? You are throwing the seeds in the river." He said, "I am eating berries." So the crocodile said, "The seeds which you threw in the river were very nice. And when the seeds are so nice, the fruits must be even nicer than this, even better than this." So the monkey said, "Yes, yes. Would you like to taste? I'll throw some berries for you." And the monkey threw some berries one by one in the river. And the crocodile was so happy to eat those berries, full of juice, very sweet and very tasty. So every day the crocodile used to come near the bank of the river and the monkey used to throw some berries for him in the river. Slowly and slowly they became friends. Now the crocodile was very cunning. So he thought that now I have made friends with monkey. And when the berries are so sweet, monkey is eating those berries. So the monkey must be so sweet and his heart must be even more sweet, sweeter than these berry fruits. So he thought that I will eat monkey's heart. So one day, what he did, he came near the bank of the river and he told monkey that every day you are giving me such nice berry fruits. So I will also take you for a long ride in the river. The monkey said, "I don't know swimming. How can I come in the river?" And the crocodile said, "Why you worry? When your friend crocodile is there, you come on my back, sit on my back, and I'll take you in the river." The monkey was very happy. He took some berries with him and he slowly sat on the back of crocodile, and they started moving in the river. Both of them were talking, and the monkey was feeling so happy to move in the river. In spite, he did not know swimming. And when they reached in the middle of the river, the crocodile said, "Oh monkey, you are a fool. Do you think I have just brought you like this in the river? I am going to eat you up." And the monkey was shocked. Oh, he thought that crocodile was his friend. But he does not have good intention. He wants to eat me up. And the monkey did not show on his face that he was scared. Then the crocodile said that, "Come on, be ready, I am going to eat you up." But the monkey was very intelligent. He used his brain how to escape from this crocodile. He did not know even swimming. So he told crocodile, "Arey crocodile, my friend, I'll be very happy if you eat me up. But one thing I forgot. I forgot my heart on the tree. And my heart is so sweet because I eat so sweet berries. So come on, we'll go back. I'll get my heart and then you eat me up." The crocodile was fool. He was stupid. So he thought that what monkey is saying is right. So he said, "Okay, my friend." So he took a U-turn. He took a U-turn. As you take in the car, no? Turn round from right side or left side. And both of them started coming near the bank of the river. When they came near the bank of the river, the monkey jumped on the tree. And he did not come down. And the crocodile said, "Come on, come on. You have to come with me with your heart." And the monkey said, "Crocodile, you cheat. You think I am a fool? I am not a fool. You are a fool. And I cannot trust you. You have cheated me. You are not my friend. And now I will not come down. I will not give you any berries. And from today, we are not friends." So, from that day onwards, crocodile went away and the monkey sat on the tree, sang on the tree, ate nice berries on the tree. But what is the moral of the story? What do we learn from this story? One thing, you should be kind to everybody, and whatever you get to eat, you should share with other people. If they don't have, you should share with other kids if they don't have. And secondly, if somebody will trust you, you should never cheat them. A friend should never cheat his friend. Friend should be always good to his or her friend. Okay? Did you like the story? Bye.